Hey guys, I'm making this video so I can save someone else the frustration. So throw me a like or a subscribe. If your Stihl 20G backpack sprayer is not building pressure, and it's not the tip that's clogged, it's not in the hose, and you've gone through all that, there's one thing that it could be, and it's took me forever to find this. That's why I'm making this video, and I'm making it short and sweet to help you guys. Right here, where this fitting connects, there is a little ball, like a stainless steel ball, looks like a marble. That ball goes up and down this tube right here and builds pressure. It don't take much. Mine was like some algae looking crap that must have fermented in my tank, some little piece of trash. And that ball got stuck and it couldn't move up and down. And since that ball couldn't move up and down, it couldn't build pressure. So all you gotta do is take that hose off and be careful when you do it, because that ball will fall out. And if you lose that ball, then you just won't have a backpack sprayer. But that's all it is. You know, I mean, y'all are smart enough to know, check your hose, the connections, and figure out where the blockage is. But if you get all the way back to here and you can't figure it out, take that out. Once you get that ball out there, mine had a piece of trash right on the top of it. Once I got that back in there, I put it all back together. It works like a dream. And I could do it now in about 45 seconds. Tear this whole thing apart and put it back together. That's a tip. Hope it helps. Please like and subscribe.